Good morning. I'm Navin Yadav from Surat School. Today we are learning about topic wind, storms and cyclone. You have recently listened about the storm Amphan that came in Bay of Bengal. It do a great destruction in India. So how these cyclones form or a tornado form, how the wind blow or storms form. So today we learn about these topics. So the main reason behind this is the air pressure. We all know that air exerts pressure. How can you prove this? We can prove this by an example of bottle and a paper. In bottle, the activity of with bottle you can do. In this, we have to fill the soft drink bottles that will the bottle will be soft, that can be crushed, or fill the bottle with warm water and leave it for 1 or 2 minutes. Then empty the bottle, close the cap and put it in refrigerator. It will after some time you will see that the refrigerator will the bottle will be crushed. This is because when we heat up the water, it expands. When we put the water in the bottle, it heat up the air and the air also expand. Okay, but when we pull the bottle, the air also get cooled and the volume of the air reduce. What it do? It will after the volume reduce, the pressure outside the bottle, that will crush the bottle because the pressure inside the bottle is less. You can do this at your home. Today I will show you an activity of paper. In this I will show you that how with the example of a paper which is known as air exit pressure. Okay, let me tell you. This is a piece of paper. In this, you can see if this paper is below, I am blowing wind air above it. That means if I blow air above it, it will also get pushed down only. It do not come up. But let's see what will happen. You can see when I blow the air above it, the paper comes up. I am blowing wind above it, but paper will also coming up. You can see this is because when I blow the air above the paper, it reduces the pressure air, which cause paper to came up. Okay, so flowing of air also reduce paper. Okay, so by these two activities we saw that air exert pressure, and when air blow it decrease pressure. Okay, so what will happen? What cause air to move? That is called heating. That is because of the heating. We all know that substances, when we heat up the substances, they get expand. Okay, so during day or night, that is when air get expand, when air get heated, it expand, it become lighter in weight and it rise up. Okay, so during I will tell you about the uneven heating. How it is uneven heating between land and ocean. It is a piece of land. Okay, this is ocean, or we can see water. We all know water is a bad conductor, but land is a good conductor. When the sun rays come upon on these, land get heated up and water, it do not get heated up because it is a bad conductor. So here air also get heated up. So here temperature here is more, here is on cold ocean is less. So air get heated up and it rise up. Air rise up. It reduce pressure air. To overcome this pressure difference, air pressure is large, air pressure is low. So to overcome this pressure difference, air from ocean comes to this side. This is during day. It is during day. Air from ocean comes to the land. Ocean is also known as sea. So it is sea breeze. Sea word is used from sea, and breeze word is used from breeze means cold air. So cold air from water comes to the land. This will, what will, if anyone is here, it will is blowing. Okay. What happened during night? During night, land is conductor, good conductor. So it give up heat and become cold in temperature because it is cold. And water, it is a bad conductor. So it get up heated and heat remain inside it. And in night, air get cooled, but ocean is heat warm. So here air rise up. Here air rise up. So pressure of air on ocean reduce, but the pressure of the land is higher. So to overcome this pressure, air from land to go to the ocean. Also, this also got wind is blowing. So it is happen during night. Air is flowing from land to sea. So it is known as land breeze. We all know that breeze means cold, flowing of cold air, and it comes from land, so it is known as land breeze. So land breeze happen during night and sea breeze happen during day. This way, this is a small example. Let's take the example of whole earth. At equator, the sun rays are straight, so it increase the temperature at equator. It increase the temperature at equator. So here temperature is more. At poles, temperature is less. In between 66.3 degree north and south, the temperature is also less. So what happened? Here also temperature is, pressure is different. So air from this place goes to this, to the equator, and from this place also goes to poles. What it do? It blow the wind is blowing. Okay, but because of the earth is rotating, the blowing of air is not straight. It get some bends at some angle. Okay, so air is blowing on complete earth. Okay, hope you understand these topics. Thank you.